retain 0 Example tadi 0. Lepas tu less share of consolidated carrying value at day control loss, net asset campur dengan goodwill, less dengan non-controlling interest. So actually kita kena kira goodwill dahulu. Okay. Less non-controlling. So this is the formula. Okay, barulah dapat group profit and loss upon consolidation. So we need to calculate goodwill dahulu dan juga non-controlling interest lah. Biasanya this one kita dapat sekaligus. Kan? We boleh dapatkan serentak. Macam mana how am I going to cut this one and paste it to insert. Salah tu. Okay. Okay, so this is the formula lah. You can actually ni. Pasal dalam buku teks ni dia tak simplify the formula. Dia terus tunjuk exercise. So I just want to ni lah. So this is the formula that we are going to use. But we need to calculate the goodwill first. So remember pasal kita nak this figure. We want goodwill and non-controlling interest. Okay, so we need to calculate goodwill first. Okay, so goodwill on consolidation. Okay, let's say goodwill on consolidation. Okay, so we need to calculate goodwill because we remember the formula. We need to have goodwill. So goodwill dalam buku ni dia they show you how to prepare goodwill if it is partial and it is also if it is full goodwill. Of course, the non-controlling interest will be different. Goodwill remaining. Okay, if you look at muka surat 625 of your textbook, 624 sekali, goodwill relating to the disposal of shares. Okay, yang pertama 17.2.1, page 624, no change in the relationship of in the relationship of parents case control. Okay. So under goodwill relating to the disposal of shares, in a business combination, the parent will compute the goodwill on consolidation, which could be partial. Yang ni nampak tak ni? Under 17.2, page 624. Do you get it? Can you find it from your textbook?
Jumpa tak saya?
Jumpa okay. So in a business combination, the parent will compute the goodwill on consolidation. Biasalah. Bila business combination, upon acquiring control, the goodwill will be calculated. It could be partial or full depending on the parent's accounting policy parent. So under the current financial reporting standard, the parent is to retain the goodwill, and this is tested for impairment annually. Okay. On disposal of the shares, goodwill remaining will be eliminated or retained depending on the change in the relationship between parents and investee. Okay, so for 17.2.1, no change in the relationship of parent retains control. Yang ni case daripada, for example, daripada 80% to 60%, still dia retain control. Okay. So in a situation where the investor still retains control, his entire share of goodwill is retained. So goodwill tu retain semua. Okay. For example, H acquired 800,000 of the 100,000 issued ordinary shares of S on 1st January X4. So berapa persen tu? Berapa persen parent hold tu? 80% kan? So 80%. The parents' goodwill on consolidation was 200,000. Dia katakanlah parents' goodwill bila kira 200,000 and 60,000 was written off. On 1st January X7, H sold 200,000 of these shares. So dia jual lagi, sekarang dia jadi 60%. Dia jual another 20%. So the goodwill remaining on 1st January will be 140,000. So goodwill pun tak berubah. Macam tu lah. Daripada goodwill minus impairment. Sama. Dia tak akan affect goodwill. Okay. So that is the ni. With the disposal of the 200 shares on 1st January 7, H still retains control and the goodwill of 140,000 is maintained. So kalau parent retain control, tak ada masalah. Goodwill pun akan ada sama. But what happened is when an investee becomes an associate or investor loses control, dia loses control. So where the under 17.2.2, page 625, when the investor loses control but retains some of the interest, the investor is deemed to have disposed of all of its interest and in the investee and repurchase the retaining asset. Ni dia buat andaian macam ni. Andaikan dia jual semua, lepas tu seolah-olah lepas tu dia beli balik. Di andaiannya lah. Accounting treatmentnya seolah dia jual 100% and then dia beli balik jadi associate company. Dia punya ni kan. in such a situation, all the goodwill is written off. So dalam kes ni, semua goodwill memang akan dibuang. For example, H acquired 800,000 of the 1,000, 1 million issue on shares of S on 1st January S4. The parent's goodwill on consideration was 200,000 and 60,000 was written off. So H on 1st January S7, H sold 60%. So asalnya 80%, dia jual 60%, dia jadi 20%. So as the investment lost control, all 140 to 200,000 minus 60,000 in payment. Okay, so all 140,000 is written off against the gain or loss on disposal. Okay, so dia written off. That's why dia ni lah, kalau tengok ni, dia written off. Dia buang semua ni. Goodwill buang kan, less goodwill. Dia buang goodwill kan. Okay. Barulah dia dapat profit or loss. Non-controlling interest pun buang juga. Kan? So buang. Barulah dia dapat gain or profit or loss. Okay? So in this case, dalam contoh ni, kita kena kira goodwill on consolidation. Dalam kes ni dia tak beritahu polisinya apa, but contohnya dia tunjukkan dua-dua types, either it is full partial goodwill or full goodwill. Okay. So partial goodwill or full goodwill. Biasalah macam mana. Remember kalau partial dia guna proportion of net asset. Kalau full goodwill dia akan guna fair value.